Most professionals only monetize their experience one way, their W-2 salary. But there's a parallel economy built entirely around what you already know, your operational knowledge. It's called expert networks. And today I'm breaking down exactly how they work. So what is an expert network? It's the infrastructure connecting institutional investors and research firms with professionals like you. Calls run 30 to 60 minutes, and they're moderated, compliance reviewed, and focus purely on your operational experience, not full-time consulting. There are 6 major networks. GLG, AlphaSights, and Guidepoint are the top-tier heavyweights. Coleman Research, Third Bridge, and Capvision round it out. Apply to all 6 at once. Volume works in your favor, and it creates competition for your time. Here's a range. Mid-level professionals earn between $150 to $300 an hour. Directors, $300 to $600 an hour, and specialized individuals or executives, $600 to up to $1,500 an hour plus. Rate depends on the niche and specialization. Response, speed, and call performance are also important, but it's not about your title. Your LinkedIn headline is the single most important field. Something like regional manager is invisible. Something like OEM field operations leader specializing in dealership profitability gets found. Load your profile with operational keywords and cut the generic jargon. Getting accepted is in 5 steps. First, optimize your LinkedIn. Apply to all 6 networks at once. Treat screening calls like a job interview. Articulate your niche with real specificity and respond as soon as possible. Speed and specificity are what get you booked. Compliance is non-negotiable. Never share confidential data, any type of internal strategy, or material non-public information. You can discuss industry trends, public data, and your own professional experience. When in doubt, decline the question. Rate growth comes from 5 things: response speed, strong call performance, niche depth, exposure to emerging areas like AI and EV, and being active across multiple networks. Narrower expertise almost always earns more per call. Expert calls are the entry point, not the ceiling. Credibility from consistent calls opens future doors. Things like advisory board seats, fractional consulting, paid speaking, additional products, and executive coaching. Income arrives as 1099 income. Talk to a CPA as it grows. Your 30-day plan. Week 1, overhaul your LinkedIn. Week 2, apply to all 6 networks. Week 3, prepare and complete compliance training. Week 4, launch and start accepting calls. Your experience already has value. Get the full playbook and the templates at jmjinsights.gumroad.com. Link is in the bio. See you in the next one.